Hello everyone. So far we discussed flex, flex basis, flex wrap, flex direction, and flex justify content. So in this lecture we are going to discuss flex flow, flex grow, and flex ring. So first flex flow. So flex flow is a property, is a shorthand property actually. It's shorthand property of our flex direction and the flex wrap. So if you want to use together in the flex flow, then it will work. And yeah, so I will show you some example, then you will get idea. So let's go here. We have a similar which we work in the last lecture. So this is, so we want to give flex flow here, like just remove this direction and give to the flex flow. And as I told, it's a shorthand of shorthand property of flex direction and flex flow. So what is the value? We have flex direction, like we want to row reverse, so just put the row reverse. Okay, as I told, it's a shorthand property to the flex flow, so row reverse. And I want to also wrap if it going beyond the 600, so I'm giving to wrap. So it's not going beyond 600, that's why not wrapping. So for the seeing example, I am giving width to the 200, so we can see width 200 pixel. Now if you see, it's reversing to the row, okay, and also wrapping to that particular what we say, and unwrapping that items in that particular width of the parent. So we can use the shorthand. It's a very simple, easy. So this is a flex flow we have. Next we have flex grow and flex ring. As you can understand, the name of that property, flex grow and flex ring. If you want to grow, then we use flex grow. If you want to shrink that particular what we say, that particular property and the particular what we say, the item, then we use shrink. So I will show, like to the third property, I want to show the flex grow twice to the flex one. Okay, then what do you have to do? Let's see, flex grow 2. Okay, now I will give flex grow 3. See what happening. Let's give to the flex grow 1 and give to the flex grow 4. Sorry, flex grow grow 4. Sorry, I'm going wrong. Give to this flex grow 4. Okay, so just remove this shorthand property progression, so I will get idea. Now you can see we have given flex 1 grow and 2 to the flex grow 2, so it will twice to the first one, and this is 3 grow, that's why it's thrice to the first one, and we have given flex grow 4, so it's the 4 time bigger to the first one. So this is the use of the flex grow. We can grow, we can make it more growable to the comparing to the other flex item. Okay, so it's mostly if you want to build grow related to the rest the flexible item, you want to grow to relate with that bit relative to the other element, other item of that particular flexible, so you can use the flexing. The similar to the flexing, if you see, if you I'm giving to the flex ring, like I'm giving flex ring 1. Okay, flex ring 2, flex ring 3. Here is not working because we have, sorry, we do not have given any width. So let's give the width, then we'll get idea. Like I'm going with 200 pixels. Now you can say string things, so you will get idea. So let's remove the grow, then you will get idea. I removed, so I have given a shrink. So if you shrink 3 will be the, and shrink 1. So shrink 1 is little lower to the fourth one, and this is more than shrink to the 1, and this is more than shrink to the 3. So it's a vice versa to the flex flow and flex shrink. So this be property we have, flex flow, flex shrink, and flex flow, flex grow, flex shrinks. So these three things we discussed here. So one more thing we have, just I will show you, so you will get idea. We have a justify item, flex item, so I will show you that also, so we will get idea. Suppose we have one which height is 100 pixels, and but if we want to say it's vertically centered, then what you will do, we have one property item, align item, make it center. See, if you're making center, this is coming in the center of the vertically center. We have other property also, align item, like you want to the base line is starting from the top. If you want to show the bottom, also we have a bottom, like a baseline end. So we have other property also in a line item, just play with that property, then you will get idea how it work. Okay, so we have discussed everything all in a Flexbox. We have discussed flex, we have discussed flex basis, flex wrap, flex direction, flex justify content, flex flow, flex grow, flex shrink, and also we discuss one more thing is item, align item. Okay, so just let's practice and apply in your code, and let me know if you feel any problem, or you face any problem, or you have any difficulty, or you have any question. Just put on a comment, I will reply. Thank you so much. We will I will come with some another property, like box model or anything. If you have anything you want to learn, just put a comment, I will make a video for that. Thank you so much.